Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be cleaning my car, and I just thought I would like bring it along with you guys, or like bring you guys along. But recently, I don't know if you guys were aware, but I haven't been driving because my license actually expired in January and I wasn't aware. So when we finally figured it out, I stopped driving and I haven't been driving since, but I recently just started driving again. So I have my car back now and it's pretty dirty because I haven't been driving it for a while. So I decided to go ahead and clean it today because it's really dusty and just not cute. So we need to clean it. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my car today, clean it out and everything. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm waiting for my mom to help me get everything out because we have like a whole bunch of like car cleaning stuff. So I'm waiting for her to get that out for me, and then I'm gonna go outside and we're gonna clean my car. So we've got everything out. We have all the car stuff over there, and then this is the vacuum, and then we got the Windex and stuff. Real quickly, I'm gonna show y'all before. I don't know if you can tell, but literally look, it is so gross. There's paw prints and everything everywhere, and it's just like really dirty. Like, I just recently got my tires changed out, and when they came back, these were super duper dusty and just looking really bad. So I want to clean that as well. There's literally bird like, great. Sorry, this might be a little blurry. My focus has just been really bad. And then I literally just took the dogs. I don't know if you can tell, but there's like dog hair all over my back seat. I have clothes everywhere. It's just a hot mess and I just want to clean it. I'm about to move my car, but recently I just got this visor, so now that's gonna be a lot better for my dashboard. If you guys didn't know, like the sun's pretty bad on like this part of your car, so it's really good to have these. They're kind of annoying to like put up and put down, but it's gonna like make your car last a lot longer, so that's really good for like the protection of your car. I'm just waiting for my mom. I'm so sorry I look really bad right now. I know my hair is orange. Don't gotta tell me, I know. I still have to go back and get it like bleached again, but we're waiting for my appointment. So yeah, but I'm waiting for my mom right now to move the truck, and then I'm gonna pull up closest to the water hose, so that way it's just a lot easier for me to clean and stuff. So I'm waiting for her to move the truck, and then I'm gonna move. I need to clean my floorboard mats really bad because this has been super dirty and like had literally like ham juice in it since last Thanksgiving when I had my Friendsgiving. I took a ham and it spilled juice, and I just haven't ever like cleaned it since then. And then this is so dirty. It's just gross, and I just want to dust everything and clean it all off. Just make it all nice and pretty. I've just been so like sidetracked and just, I honestly could have cleaned my car a long time ago. I just haven't, but I'm finally like, okay, no, like it needs to be clean. So hopefully we're gonna get it all done today. It's just really disgusting to look at now. I think what I'm gonna do is vacuum first. I told my mom if she wanted to help me, she could. Oh my god, this is so dark. But I think she might help me, I'm not sure. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just vacuum all of this, and I'm gonna take the floorboard mats out because as you can see, these are so bad and that's just gross. So we're gonna just take this out and shake it out. I've been vacuuming my car, but right now we are about to, hold on, I'm trying to find these towels for my mom that she's talking about. Not really sure what she's talking about, but oh, I see them. Okay, she wanted me to get one of these. But right now my mom's like Windexing the inside of it and like cleaning all the like little stuff that's all over my interior. I think we're gonna just do all of the interior and then go back and do the exterior after. So that way we can just clean everything in the inside and then go back and do the outside. Okay, so I just cleaned all 4 of my mats. They're looking so much better. There's not any like sticky stuff or any dirt or anything on them anymore, so that's really good. But now we're gonna do the outside. My mom cleaned the inside. It looks so much better, so much cleaner, nicer. Just everything looks a lot better. This is just on there permanently. There's nothing I can do about that, but she cleaned all of the interior. As you can see, everything just looks so much more like spotless, and it smells so much more clean as well. So super excited. But now I just have to wait for these to dry so I can put them back in, and then we have the water hose and the soap and stuff, and we're about to start scrubbing away on the exterior. Okay, so I'm just now coming inside. I'm getting these towels so that we can dry off the car so it doesn't leave like watermarks. I need to get one more, one for me and one for my mom. But I'm almost done. I just need to let my floor mats dry a little bit longer and then dry the car, and then we should be good. And then I might do tire foam to clean my tires. Okay, so we just got done. It looks so much better. As you guys can see, it's super duper clean now. It's not perfect, but it's definitely way better than what it was. The floor mats just look 10 times better on both sides. Everything in the inside just looks so much more cleaner, sleek, everything. And we Windexed all the windows, so they're all super nice. We cleaned the back ones. I vacuumed everything, and overall looks amazing. So yeah, I hope you guys like this little cleaning video. Sorry about all the outside noises, but I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.